Alright, ladies and gentlemen, in this video I just want to do another follow-up example of how to utilize triangle congruencies without really telling you the route that we're going to take. So far in some of the videos I've kind of told you what the goal of the video is, and so you can kind of see what's coming on up next, but I just want to see if maybe even pause the video and try it on your own before we continue going and just see if you can go give this proof a shot. So what do I know? I know that RS is congruent to VU, so there's a side involved. And I've actually been given that S is congruent to U, so there's an angle involved. So you have a couple options. I mean, think about what's left. I could go ahead and utilize angle R and angle V and do an angle side angle opportunity. That could be a thing. Or I could utilize side angle side if I knew something about TU and TS. Or I could utilize my vertical angles and use something about my angle side. And I'm actually going to take that route because I can't make any claims about R and V. Why? Because I don't know RS and UV are parallel. Please be cautious. At this current moment, I don't know that they are parallel. Yes, could I prove that they are? Of course. I could say in my proof that RS and UV end up being parallel to one another by the converse of the alternate interior angles theorem, and that would be utilized to show that these two lines are parallel. Then I could show that RV or NV, excuse me, are congruent angles by the alternate interior angles theorem. But I don't need to go that entire route because I have two congruent vertical angles. And we're going to use that to our advantage as much as possible. So I have that angle S is congruent to angle U. I have that angle, or excuse me, side RS is congruent to side VU, and that is given. And so right now I have one angle and one side, and I'm choosing to go the angle side route by utilizing this vertical angles. And so I can say that angle RTS is congruent to angle VTU by the vertical angles congruency theorem, or I can just simply say that vertical angles are congruent. And now I know that triangle RST is congruent to triangle VUT by angle side.